Everybody is looking for ways to keep their lawns looking top-notch. But how do the pros do it? It all starts with a solid plan. We kick things off with a thorough inspection, checking every inch of the lawn. Next, our team of experts create a custom lawn care schedule tailored to each lawn's unique needs. From mowing to fertilizing, we've got it covered. Lawn looking like a jungle? Our green-thumbed crew will have it looking like a golf course in no time. But it's not just about looks. Regular lawn care prevents costly issues down the line. Think of us as the superheroes of lawn care, swooping in to save the day before disaster strikes. So the next time you see a pristine lawn, remember, it's all in the planning and the hands of dedicated professionals. Keep your lawn in tip-top shape and make every day a great first impression. Call Plush Landscaping for a perfect lawn, 848-207-9648.